Hey guys, we are in Caesars Atlantic City. This is the Centurion Tower, room 3504 floor. They have a little doorbell. And then let's go in. So these rooms were newly renovated. They're really nice. So when you first come in, there's like a little foyer. This is the day that we're checking out, so I tried to clean up as much as I could, but the room is a little bit of a mess. It has this really nice big walk-in shower with the double shower heads. That's so nice. It's freezing cold here right now, so it's nice to take a really nice hot shower with the two shower heads. Magnifying mirror. Yes. So here's the vanity. Towels and everything were under here. Separate restroom area. It's a nice big bathroom, which is really nice. Then here's a closet, safe, ironing board, luggage rack. Now to get to this tower, you would be on the second floor of the casino, the same floor where the lobby is, walking like you're going to go towards Bally's. The elevator bank is right there. So here is the large flat screen TV, and it has this beautiful lighting behind it. It casts such a pretty glow while we were sleeping. Seating area, coffee maker. They are putting in a Starbucks. They have a sign up now, so that's nice. And here's another little seating area. Here's the artwork over the bed. In the hallway, it's like all the same kind of artwork all over. It's really nice. Here's the bed, and at both sides there are a bunch of ports. It's the same on the other side. You had a full length full length mirror. And then this is the view. So over there in the distance is the Tropicana. You can see the pool, a little bit of the Caesars Pier shops, and of course the beautiful coastline. So nice, and at night it's so beautiful because the coast kind of wraps around a little bit, so it's really pretty. But yeah, so this is the Caesars Atlantic City. This is the King, I believe, Premium Centurion Tower. So we love it. We're really happy. We will definitely be back. All right, if you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.